Yeah, what should we do next in this game? I don't know.
Should we do the full reset?
Full reset.
The automation?
Oh man, do you think we can handle that?
No. The fastest reset is the most prestigious category. Ooh. Completely automate the game from a single farm plot to unlock the leaderboards again. You do not have to unlock everything. Just try to unlock unlocks.leaderboard as fast as possible. Remember that you can use num unlocked is greater than 0 to check if something is unlocked, and you can use get cost on unlocks to see what they cost, so you can automatically farm the right items.
Okay. Yeah, I mean, we already have like a lot of scripts that are decently efficient for each crop. So if we just stitch all those together and unlock things when they're available, then we might be able to do this.
True.
I want to see how fast other people are doing this. Lego Man 12343, who I think is like the mod of the Discord, Josh. I think that's him. He's number 1. There is like a big drop off between top 5 and the rest. I mean, it bumps up to like 50 minutes. Ideally, I think we should try to get top 50%. If we can get it in 12 hours and 50 minutes, that'd be pretty cool. We can be like top 50% of people who have attempted this. Yeah. I don't know. I mean, it's already a pretty elite group of people that are even attempting this, so it might be
the most prestigious.
It is the most prestigious leaderboard, and we haven't even done it yet. That's crazy.
We've got to integrate all of our scripts and.
Yep, this is our time.
Yeah, okay. Let's do it.
But yeah, let's just get a simulation going. So now let's open another file. This is our F1. Perfect. Okay, so first thing we're trying to do here is we're on a single thing of hay. And we don't even have loops to begin with, right?
Yet. Yeah. So we just say harvest like
so the
4 times in a row or something, or 5 times.
So I think to start this off, really? We literally just have harvest, and we're like running that.
Can we try to do a variable? We'll just see what happens.
Sure, it'll fail.
Okay.
I can say a equals 3.
Yeah.
All right, let's run this. Oh, maybe it worked.
I think we have the programming unlocks, maybe.
Here we go. Starting unlocks. All programming features such as loops, if statements, lists, dictionaries will always remain unlocked. Okay. Okay, so our priority should be speed to start, right?
Is that right? Oh.
How much does it go? It only costs 20 hay.
Yeah, because we do, I think our priority is to get like expand, because the grass grows really quickly.
Yeah, which costs 30.
Okay, so we need speed
first. Expand or speed first?
Probably. Well, we can't get expand until we upgrade speed, it looks like. So in our script, we'll have to hard code which unlocks we get.
We're not going to be like dynamically deciding
I know.
Which things, like we're
not
probably going to
Not that we could even do that. Like, it's kind of complex anyway.
Yeah. So, okay, the first thing we can unlock here is unlocks.speed. And then we want to get expand next, so I should just, instead of setting a variable a, so then we have a
B, C, D.
This is like 30 to get that, I think. And then
should we do, oh yeah, I was going to say that.
Yeah, and then unlock expand. And then I want to see if this worked. So just do like carrots or some nonsense. So run this. Okay. Oh, look at that. It's expanded.
Nice.
So yeah, we did something. If we look at our unlock tree while we're in here, we have 1 speed, 1 expand. And yeah, cool. Next step is probably unlocking plant, right? Because then that could boost our expand again.
Sure. We don't have to like optimize the order really yet. I gotta take a break.
That already took 26 seconds. If we're trying to hit 30 minutes, we've already gone through 1/60th of our time just to get expand once.
That's fine.
Yeah, it's fine.
I think I want to make our coding style a little bit stricter. We can say like have a hay function.
Yeah.
Like get hay.
Yeah.
And then we have a bunch of ifs, like if we have polyculture, do this. If we have blah blah blah, do that.
Sure.
Depending on the unlocks, just so we don't have to keep like doing for loops and.
Yeah, I like that.
So we can build it up as we go. Like right now, we don't really care about polyculture.
Right.
But then later, once we unlock it, we can like update
Update that, yeah.
all of our stuff.
Maybe for this one, we should be moving our development to VS Code. I know there's like a way to do that where you can edit in VS Code and like have it auto update on the screen.
Should we take a break and try that?
Yeah, sure. Okay, we realized that because this is a pretty big undertaking, we're finally going to actually incorporate VS Code into our development cycle here. So we've got the auto sync stuff enabled. So now you can see if I add some code here, like say I add like a move north, you can see right here, move north appeared in the game. So this is going to be nice. It'll be easier for us to maybe add some reusable functions and stuff across multiple files. So
we have all the programming stuff unlocked. So we have lists, sets. I don't know how we'll use them yet, but I wanted to start. Maybe we can put the logic for harvesting grass into a different file and just separate that all out and make our main like F1 or whatever we rename this. This can be like the runner. This can have the brains and just call different functions. And like, you know, harvest grass until we're at the bush unlock, and then unlock bushes, and then choose which one to harvest next, that kind of thing. I think I can do from grass import all of it. We'll do that for now, because I just want to say like harvest grass.
pass it in 20 or something.
Sure. Harvest grass. Numb grass. We might change all this later, but this is what we'll start with. Okay. Starting grass. Please comment if my names
I like
should be changed. Starting grass equals num items dot grass, and we want to get to num grass. Okay, so ending grass. Starting grass plus num grass. While ending grass, oh, this is totally wrong. Well, num items, while we have less hay than the, whatever. We'll say grass. While not can harvest, pass, and harvest. So this should work for our first goal of unlocking, what is it? Speed?
Speed, yeah. And then you can throw it down there for expand also.
Yeah. Harvest grass. Oops. Oh, why am I coding in here?
Oh yeah, get out of there.
That's crazy. So inefficient. Okay, we unlocked speed. Now harvest grass. 30. Unlock.
It's already down there. You can just get rid of lines 10 through 13.
Okay, I'm just gonna do it again.
Okay. Nice.
All right, let's see if this works. And it's auto-saving in VS Code. I will do, oh, it's a while true, so it'll just be frozen in time.
Yeah, that did it.
we
It expanded. Yeah. Nice.
Beautiful. Oh, actually, I'll run it again. Let's see what we want to unlock next. So with 50 hay, we can get bushes. And the other unlocks need wood.
Also upgrade grass.
Grass
That
needs
requires 300.
300. That's going to take too long, I think.
Yeah, unlocking bushes next is the way to go.
Yeah. Now we have wood.py. And I can say...
You can probably copy a lot of the code from...
Oh, yeah.
Right?
True. Replace with wood.
Yeah, then replace all as...
Where do you see that?
Hover over that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Nice.
No results? Didn't replace these grasses.
Yeah, I don't really understand that.
Okay. Might just rewrite all this then. not very skilled at VS Code. If this is the Vim extension, I can do that.
It does not have the Vim extension.
Okay. Okay, we need to add the bush logic now.
It's complaining about something in this. I don't know what.
I'm just gonna delete all this then. Maybe it'll stop complaining. You sure about that?
So when something like this happens, just Command A, Command Shift P, format document. There's no format install.
I thought it did.
This one has 1.5 million. Oh, this one has
15.7.
This one has the Python logo on it though. I like that. Kevin Rose or Methius?
I don't know. I don't know.
Who do you trust more? I'm gonna go with the extensions.
I like the 1.7 million. Matthias Gesper, do you trust?
Yeah, I trust Matthias with my life.
Okay, we're back. We got it.
He's got to restart VS Code.
Oh no.
You know what? Who cares? It's gonna be fine.
Yeah. All right. So to plant wood, we actually want to. Okay, this is where we'll have generic logic. Get entity type. So we're first assuming that we're going to plant bushes, not trees, because we only have bushes available and unlocked. So if the entity type is not bush, I like that at least the built-ins are working properly. If the entity that's on the ground on the tile that we're at is not bush, you gotta make it a bush. If it's not bush, then plant entities.bush. So right now I'm also assuming that we only have a vertical column, and I'll just move north to go to the next tile. So we'll do that. And if we do have a bush, else if, so now we know that the ground type is a bush at the current tile. Let's check if we can harvest it. If we can harvest it, then let's harvest. If we can't harvest it, then we're just gonna move again.
Well, okay. Looking at your code though here, the first thing you're doing is if you can't harvest at the tile, you're waiting forever. I think instead that should be inside, this elif.
I think.
Well, no, it should just be
fine,
it should just be an else, and then inside that else, you should be doing that while loop, right?
I think we could do it either way. I kind of want to just say, like, if we can't harvest it, then let's go to the next tile.
Right. Yeah, because there might be one that's harvestable elsewhere.
Yeah.
True.
Move north.
I'm sorry, I messed you up. You should change that back to elif.
Oh, yeah. Else, elif, can harvest. We need 20 wood, I think, for whatever we're trying to get next.
I can't remember.
Like expand or speed or something. I guess we can choose which one we want now.
Probably expand first, right? I think.
Yeah, let's try expand
again first. Yeah.
Harvest wood. I'll have to import that. Yeah, that makes sense that the simulation stopped when I started editing this.
You're gonna do get cost.
Oh yeah, I could do that.
Well, or you could just hard code it.
Yeah, that's fine. Unlock. Expand. And then let's also try to 20 unlocks dot speed. Okay. From wood, import everything. And let's try this. Unlocks plant must be unlocked before this can be used.
We just never did that. We need to.
We didn't unlock
50
plant.
Yeah.
Okay, I see. That's a fair criticism. Harvest grass 50. See, I stopped doing the new lines before between each.
Sure.
The empty line. That's gonna.
Yeah.
That's gonna improve the code execution a lot.
Oh, yeah.
Plant.
Look at that. 3x3. Nice.
Okay. Oh yeah. It's planting, planting, planting. Oh, after we harvest a bush, we should plant another bush.
Oh,
That's
yeah.
one thing.
Yeah. Let me just plant, yeah. Nice.
And then I want to just add one functionality for the expand. And then I'll pass it back to you and you can resume this.
Nice.
So right now we're moving north for every single iteration in this while loop. And I want to say, you know, if we have more than one column, once we get to the top row, move east. So if num unlocked is 2, we can start moving east when we're at the top row. So if I have to check the world size, I guess, to see if we're at the top row.
Or you could just move on the bottom row. Doesn't matter, right?
I like that a lot. That's easier, yeah. If get pause y equals 0, we're at the bottom row, and num unlocked equals 2.
Or no, greater than 1.
Yeah. Greater than 1, move east. I think that
Sounds pretty good.
logic should work. Let's see.
Yeah.
So we can
Oh, for the speed. Yeah.
add a breakpoint here.
Nice. Yeah, look at that. Nice. Pretty good. Good start.
Yeah.
All right. You're having issues with that name.
There's still grass over
Oh,
there,
man.
but that's okay.
No, it's all gonna be hay. Yeah, you were having issues with that. I don't know why.
Yeah. Well, good job.
It's all fixed now, though. It's all hay. So what I want to do now is we've unlocked speed one more time. Now I want to see what is the next thing we can do. Okay, so we wanted to upgrade grass. That's 300 hay. That's a lot. If we wanted to upgrade speed or expand, we would need carrots. And to unlock carrots, we only need 50 wood. So I think it makes sense to go carrots next.
Sure. Right now, we're not really going for like optimization
Right.
in terms of which one we should unlock next.
Right.
We're just going for like unlock that leaderboard. We want to get to the end goal here.
Yeah, but I mean, we're kind of thinking
Yeah.
logically about it.
Yeah,
like-
we're not gonna like test performance at every stage. And
Right, yeah. But we're not also not going to go for 300 grass when there's something a
I
lot
think we should
cheaper.
get level 10 grass.
Yeah, just
Yeah.
right now. Spam a while loop of harvesting hay. Okay, so now we can unlocks dot carrots. Well, I'll just keep that, doesn't matter. That's our breakpoint. Cleaner. So once we have the carrots, well, let me just see where we're at from there. Okay, we do that. Now we have carrots. So now we can start planting carrots and bush, or maybe just carrots. All right, we have our carrot script. I'm gonna copy it from wood to start. This is actually gonna be harvest carrot. Numwood will become carrot.
There's still some woods in there.
A lot of woods in there. Do we want them all though? I think we do actually.
Oh, we do need wood to plant carrots, don't we?
Oh, does carrot cost wood?
Ooh.
Is the question. One of each for now. Cool.
Yeah, how do we want to handle this?
Right now we just
I mean,
It's 50
is there
each.
any function that can we say like get cost of a carrot?
Oh yeah, you can. You can get cost.
So I mean, we
Oh.
could have that logic of,
And then inside of here, we're calling the harvest wood and
if you think
harvest
about
hay.
it, like
Yeah.
if we have the order of unlocks we want to get, we can
Yeah.
feel like, okay, get the cost of the next unlock. And if it's like 50 carrots, get the cost of 50 carrots.
Yeah.
Get those items. I mean, recursively, like get the cost of those.
I see what you're saying.
Items.
Yeah. Get resources for unlocks dot expand. That was our next target. Target. Something like this is what you're thinking, right? So we get the cost for that unlock target.
There's a scenario where like the unlock target has, it requires a bunch of items which all require other items. If we get the
Right.
cost of those items themselves.
Yeah.
So we kind of, yeah, we want a dictionary definitely.
Going back though, we were discussing, is it not cleaner to just in the harvest carrot determine if we have the necessary resources to harvest these carrots and have it do logic to handle that? Ideally, the main script just looks like a ton of like unlock this, unlock that, unlock this, unlock that, right? And then that unlock wrapper handles the logic of figuring out which resources are needed to get there.
Yeah.
And then determining what order to harvest those resources to get to there.
I mean, anyway, we could like refactor this already by just having a list of the unlocks in the exact order that we want.
Yeah, and then just like an unlock wrapper
While
function.
this is not empty.
Yeah. So we just do unlock order equals speed expand
You can do empty.
It can do multiple
You
lines.
can do multiple lines, yeah. Might be helpful.
Why not? Speed again.
And carrots.
Carrots, and then unlocks dot expand. This is the first one where it gets a little complicated. So now, or unlock. I'm gonna
just
name it something weird because just in order to avoid any conflicts that there might be.
We can use the wrapper.
Cute unlock something. That's our wrapper function.
Okay. Aside from this, we'll need like an order of resources, how we can harvest them.
No, here's what we do.
Yeah.
So, okay. Final costs is a dictionary, right? If resource in final costs. So if the resource is already in the final costs, then we do final costs of resource plus equals, we need to get cost of that resource.
Resource cost is the cost of one resource, but we have to like multiply that by the number of the resources we need.
Oh, right. How do we get that? Oh, which is unlock
Value.
times unlock cost of resource. Yeah. What do we do with this information though?
This is good.
I see where we're going with this, but like,
We're not recursively getting the cost of the items.
you're right.
We're only doing it one time.
Yeah, I see what you're saying. This is where doing it in the actual harvest function would be recursive technically.
It would have to be well, we
You know what I mean?
we have to do it recursively there too.
Yeah, exactly. But it'd be easier to do it recursively there because it's already like a function that would just be calling another function that already exists for harvest wood, you know?
Oh, I see.
As opposed to us building out this dictionary beforehand.
Oh, I get what you're saying.
But like, is that better? I don't know. It's easier, I think.
So like the harvest bones would just be like, what do I need for bones? Cactus.
Yeah.
Well, like we call harvest cactus. The
Yeah.
cactus, like what do we need for cactus?
Yeah.
This, and we
Yeah.
keep.
And it would just recurse down. Yeah. We already have those functions. Like we're building
Yeah,
out each
that's
function.
easier. for
Okay.
now. Let's
Let
do
me
that.
just comment this out in case we want to
Oh
do
wait, no, we
it
still
later.
need the first. Do we?
I don't think
No,
we
you're right.
need
Yeah.
this now.
Okay.
But yeah, instead of this, we're just going to call harvest carrot 50. When we get into harvest carrot, it's going to say, and we know that the cost is wood, so we can say if num items dot wood is less than entities dot carrot times num carrot. Yeah. If
I
we
mean-
don't have enough wood,
But the get cost returns a dictionary, so you have to like index it in the dictionary still.
oh yeah.
Get cost at items.wood.
Right, and we know items.wood will be in there. Yeah, the stuff we were doing before is kind of like genericizing all this a little, but it might be a bit too abstract.
Yeah,
I don't know.
this is easier. I just want to do
Yeah,
whatever's easiest.
We're just trying to get something done. Okay, so if our current wood is less than the amount of wood we need, then we harvest wood.
Needed wood
Needed
minus.
wood. Oh, whoa, what happened there? Needed wood minus current wood. We harvest that much wood. And we import that. From wood, import harvest wood.
Yeah.
Does that make sense? It might.
Yeah, and then we do the grass as well.
Some of these are tabs, some of these are spaces.
Format it.
It's still not. Wait, I think there's a different extension for indentation to spaces. There we go. Nice. That shouldn't complain anymore. All right, now yeah, the same thing for. All right, that was a lot of experimentation just to get this in here, which is
It's good.
if we're harvesting a carrot and we don't have enough wood, harvest that much wood. We don't have enough hay, harvest that much hay. Does wood cost hay?
No.
You sure?
No.
No, no cost.
Nice.
All right, it's free. All right, so we don't need to worry about that part of it. But that if that were the case, though, we would run the hay one first and then wood to make sure that the wood builds up enough hay for it to do its thing.
Well, the
Oh,
harvest
no.
wood would have to do. it would
Never
have to
mind.
figure
Yeah,
that stuff out.
harvest would actually have to go first. You're right. The one that has the least dependencies has to go on the bottom. Yeah. We know what we're talking about here. I doubt this is gonna work. We were just messing around so much.
We don't need carrots.
Okay, we have a breakpoint
Do we
here.
plant the carrots ever? Do we till the ground?
No. Ooh, look, we can unlock watering. I got distracted. We did unlock. What was our goal here?
You're trying to harvest carrots. I don't think we actually
okay.
added the.
Yeah, we never actually changed this lock.
Okay.
It's still
There's
bushes.
still wood there too.
Okay. Yeah.
Ending wood. Okay, ending carrot. If the ground type is not soil first.
Yeah, which we should probably just do that regardless, right?
Yeah, let's just make it generic.
It's not equal. It's dot soil. Then we till. If it's not a carrot, we
So now we
plant
have to go to the other
carrot.
code and say if ground type is not grassland for the hay.
Right. Yeah, for hay, we do. If it equals soil, we harvest. Or sorry, we till.
Till
I think that's good.
I like. There's no other ground type, is there? It's just grass or soil.
Grass or soil, yeah. Uh-huh.
I would just say if it's not equal to ground, it's not soil. Just in case another update comes and there's like a new ground type. But
Oh, if it
Or
doesn't
if it's
equal
not
ground,
grass,
it's not
I mean.
grassland. I see what
Yeah.
you're saying. Yeah. It's yeah, future proof. Okay, so we go through this again. Oh, I see carrots. And we have 50 carrots here. So yeah.
oh, we did it. We have 0 grass and wood.
That was cool though. I mean, we did the recursion part where we called carrots and it called hay first and then wood, or vice versa.
Oh, it worked, huh?
Yeah, it worked after all that.
Okay.
I'm surprised it worked,
I'm
but
surprised it worked perfectly.
yeah, on the first try.
I
Like,
thought we'd be like off by a few.
yeah, no, we did it. Cool. 20 carrots, and then we unlocks dot expand speed, and then I think we should get water pretty soon too. All right, so we're going along. Getting those carrots. Okay, something happened wrong. It's still in this. Okay, something messed up. Okay, so it's going along. Okay, it has
We don't have enough
gotten
wood.
Oh,
What happened there?
because no, we just
We
need
planted
we
too
just need to
much,
do
right?
no we just need to do it the other way around. We harvest carrots first. Always put the thing,
Oh yeah,
the thing with more dependencies always goes first. Yeah.
Yes, I get it.
Yeah.
Yeah,
More dependencies always goes first.
I understand why, and it's kind of hard to explain.
Yeah, I mean that's left as an exercise for the viewer, but yeah, that's something we need to do. Okay. So now we have 30, we have 20, nice. So it should unlock that. Nice, so we have bigger, and the earlier we get water, the more we start building up water earlier on, right?
True. Good point.
So we're gonna get speed, that's gonna deplete us of stuff. So now we'll get 50
Let's
more
get
wood and
water.
get water, yeah. 50 wood,
We don't want to think too much.
unlocks dot watering, nice.
Oh.
This is our first big new thing that we're getting. Unlocks dot trees. Okay. Eventually we can go back and like try to do this generic
I was thinking, I mean,
stuff
it's
we were doing.
pretty easy, I think.
Yeah, but for now, I just kind of want to make progress on here until we hit like another roadblock. So okay, we're going along. Doing carrots. Wood. Okay, doing more wood, doing more. Wow. Okay, carrots was weird there. Oh, because that's another thing we need to improve. It's if it doesn't equal carrot, we're just planting carrot. But what we should do is probably harvest first and then plant carrot because there's a wood there. If there's a bush in the way,
you can't plant on top of a fully grown bush.
I don't think so.
I guess if you do have like a fully grown bush, it's hard to plant a carrot there in real life.
Yeah.
Oh god.
Let's go. This is looking better. It looked better. See, it's like actually going back and forth now and not getting stuck in a weird. Yeah.
Okay.
Sunflowers is 500 carrots. That might be a good thing to prioritize too.
All right. I'm gonna refactor this. I don't like.
What do you not like about this?
Something about this. It's a little hacky to me.
I don't understand.
After carrots, we do expand. It's still gonna be hacky, but we're speed, then watering, then trees. Okay. Speed, watering, trees. Do you remember that? Unlock orders a list. So now we have an item in the list, which is an unlock. And I want to say we're gonna do get cost, definitely. That will be necessary.
More centered.
Items needed equals get cost of unlock. And this is where I want to say in the utils, I'm going to say harvest funks equals a dictionary. And we're going to say to get wood, we do harvest wood from carrot, import harvest carrot, items dot carrot, harvest carrot. I'm gonna make a wrapper, harvest wrapper entity, unlock wrapper, let's say. Okay, harvest priority. Ooh,
Fancy.
So I mean, we could actually just make this a tuple of, okay, the first is like the function and then the priority is right here. Harvest. You see what I'm saying?
I think I get what you're going for.
Yeah, I'll just do that. I don't want to repeat and write like items dot blank every single time.
Sure.
For two different dictionaries. Harvest or item item attributes. Beautiful. Item type. Harvest funk. And then I'll say harvest priority. Yeah, so do you want to say highest priority is 0? No, I want to say lowest priority is 0.
I think usually highest priority is 0. Like if you're having a ticket at work, like a P0 is like the most.
Yeah, it is, but I don't want to have to like keep adding.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
Like later, bones requires blah, 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 which requires it, and then it probably gets down to grass.
Yeah.
We could calculate it right now and see what like the highest, like the most depth is, but or I could just say the lowest priority is 0.
Sure.
Okay, so we're gonna unlock the item, and I'll say unlock cost equals get cost. Oh! What? I don't know why I wrote that.
Cut that out. Because unlock ends with OC.
Yeah.
You're saying the word unlock?
Oh my gosh.
We might not cut that, to be honest.
How do we decide what order we have to use the priority? We should have like a
Maybe we should have an unlock priority dictionary that maps the priority.
Yeah, we should actually.
List of items.
So much for
So much for the tuple. Or we could just have a list that like just lists them out in the order. You know?
Why is it so hard?
It's not.
I'm
okay with the list.
Let's just do a tuple. Oh wait, I just thought of something.
Yeah.
For every item in this list. Okay. Well, watch this. Okay. Def harvest all. Items. Okay. I'm going to use the same logic as we use with the recursion.
Sure.
And just define the order in a function that goes like for every item that we need, harvest one has most dependencies first.
Yeah. Cool. And like that's just creating a list of number of resources we need, right? Not necessarily it's not actually doing the harvesting, or is it?
Yeah, I'll say harvest all because I'm gonna have the mapping anyway here.
So you're basically just taking our individual resource harvest functions and making them generic?
Yeah.
Okay, got it.
Okay, you'll see. I have an idea now.
Yeah, I'm waiting.
We can refactor it if needed, but
Yeah.
if items needed.
Oh, if hay and
If
items needed.
If but it's like the thing that needs the most dependencies. So if like right now it's carrot.
Sure.
Items.carrot in items.needed.
I see.
This is not optimal at all.
No,
but
no, we're going for clean code though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If we need carrots, then let's get carrots first. And I've hard coded this, so all this is kind of useless now. I could just say harvest hay, harvest carrot, right?
Yeah, yeah. It was a fun little exercise creating that dictionary.
Items needed. Carrot. Right, this is just defining the order anyway.
Okay. Oh, I see what you're doing. Yeah, yeah. This is fine.
Yeah.
Yeah, cool.
Harvest wood.
It's just gonna make our main script a lot cleaner, is what you're doing. Yeah.
All we'll do is like, what's next unlock? Oh, okay, let's add that.
Yeah, yeah, got it. Yeah, actually, once we do this,
Yeah.
I mean, sure, we're gonna have to like actually add our harvesting algorithms for each thing, but otherwise, like, yeah, this is pretty much.
We make this a list too? We could, right? We could just make this a list of items. Harvesting order.
Yeah.
I'll just say harvesting order.
Do you actually have a plan in place, or are you?
I do.
Are you creating a data structure and hoping that a plan?
I'm gonna have to do data structure. I'm having the mapping to
Yeah.
the harvest function,
Okay.
and yeah, this is gonna work.
Yeah. I just feel like so far you've been creating data structures with the hope that a plan comes into place.
I have like the semblance of a plan,
Okay, cool.
concept of a plan. And we do hay. And then we say for item in harvesting order.
It would have been nice to have that code to reference that you had there before.
It was pretty easy. It's all in my head. Items, if item in items needed, call the function. I'm gonna have to hand off to you very soon. This is ridiculous. What am I doing here? Item. It's just like code hell.
I just like we took code that we could easily hand off to someone and we made it so that we stay employed because only we understand this.
Yeah, we got the harvesting order.
Yeah,
This
cool.
is harvest all.
Oh, yeah.
Cost. Whoopsie. Well, it's gonna make it easier for us to do our jobs.
Yeah.
All we have to modify is this.
That's true. Yeah. And yeah.
That's the main thing I'm going for. Boom.
Yeah, this is actually cool because we're just adding to that list
And the unlock list.
and then
And modifying logic.
Uh-huh.
Once we actually unlock things, we can up the logic and
Yeah. In fact, maybe we should move the unlock list into this file too. So that this is just our file that defines, all of our constants.
Yeah, let's see if any of this works.
Harvesting order. I'm sure this will work first try.
I think it actually might.
Yeah.
Reminds me of that REST development.
People trick themselves into thinking they can write code for an hour and it'll work on their first test. And it never does. It might work for us.
So for every unlock in unlock order, we call unlock wrapper.
Yeah. Is this at a point where we can just run it and see what happens?
I think so.
Yeah. Whoa.
Plant must be unlocked. That's true. Do we not? We don't actually unlock things yet, do we?
Yeah. In your unlock wrapper, after it does the harvest all, it should unlock the thing.
Unlock item.
Oh, hey. Look at that.
We're unlocking things.
Wow. I mean, it wasn't the first try, but like, pretty quickly.
Yeah, our code got slower, I think.
It's okay though.
A little bit slower.
A little bit slower, but it's much more maintainable.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is more maintainable code.
It's just like a warning is about power? No, it's not.
Because like honestly, I think the optimal way is just to like hard code everything.
Yeah.
But we're not doing that.
We're not doing that.
Ugly. Nice. Yeah, all that stuff goes away now.
Keep that.
Yeah. Awesome. So cool. So much simpler. And get rid of that. Yeah, that's not going to be used ever.
Look at that. Look how clean that is.
That is pretty nice, yeah.
Every time we unlock a new plant, we just have to add it to the item attributes. Oh, this is now, I can rename this to be harvest funks or something.
Sure.
So every time we unlock a new item that we can harvest, we're gonna have to add a new harvest function, add it here, add the harvesting order, and we're just gonna keep trying to unlock new things and adding functionality.
Yeah.
So wood is already here, so we're gonna have to update the harvest wood to say if we've unlocked trees, let's plant trees.
Put them in every, like we'll use the modulus function to put them in every other spot. That makes sense. Oh, so yeah.
Hopefully that was it.
Yeah, that's it.
Oh yeah, it's flipping. Great. This is working well, our framework. What do we want next? We can do grass again. Speed. Oh, expand. Let's keep expanding a little. I'll hand it off to you.
We're going to be happy regardless if we're just able to get this achievement, you know?
Yeah.
I think it's carrots plural for the...
Yeah. And then... sunflowers.
Sunflowers.
Isn't that awesome? It's just working.
Seems like it worked, yeah.
It just works.
Only 1 hour.
Well, it was flipping a lot.
True.
I could try it again.
Yeah, I'm curious how long it's taking it to this point. Wait, yeah. Let's see. 24 minutes. We still are within world record territory. It's 6 minutes to unlock everything else after this point.
Get a ton of bones, cacti.
I do kind of want to run it a little slower just to like see if there are any inefficiencies that we're not, catching. So like
even slower than that.
Well, I feel like it'll be clear if there's just like something really like
getting hay.
Hay took a while. This hay.
The hay takes a while.
The hay takes a while. What are we getting all that hay for?
Unlocking trees, I think.
Maybe we just go straight to sunflowers.
I'll just say yes to whatever order changes you want.
I'm gonna try this real quick and just see if it looks better. Because if it's not just like a huge amount of time that's going on the carrots to get the sunflowers, then that's probably fine. Wait, what are all these hay things for?
Probably.
Okay, that's faster though.
Nice.
Okay, sunflower time. Do I bother reading all this? Yes, I do.
Oh, the power's a little different. We need to change our main code to say always have this much power.
That's a good point. Because like nothing has power as a cost, so it's never going to automatically do it with our current logic. We just need to make that logic work ourselves.
A threshold where like if we're below that threshold, let's go. Who cares what we're supposed to unlock next? Just go get like 1,000 powers.
So if okay, it's doing stuff now. I'll set a breakpoint.
Yeah, I don't expect our sunflowers to work really.
Yeah, I know there was like so much random stuff in there, and then we didn't deal with tilling. We didn't. Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, if we luck out and it comes from where are we right now?
I'm quite confused.
We must have another breakpoint somewhere or something.
No, I think it's...
Wait, what's this? What's this? What is that? Operator cannot be used on none and 12. Okay, so at one point our measure returned 9, which makes sense because we probably weren't tilled. We tried to plant a sunflower, it didn't let us, then we measured, yeah. Okay, yeah, let's see if the tilling changes made it work now. I mean, it is tilling, but it's not...
Tilling. Is it?
Not planting the sunflowers, though.
I think it is tilling.
It is, yeah, it is tilling, but I don't see any sunflowers. I think there's still a bug in the code. We gotta...
Yeah.
Run everything. Okay, everything's grown, right?
Yeah.
Everything's grown. Yeah.
Nice.
Because we're waiting a long time now. And what's 8 seconds in the grand scheme of things?
For us, not much.
For us.
For our 12-hour goal.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so now we've got our sunflower thing. That was exhausting. He's getting stuck on hay a while, but that's okay.
It just has to grow a lot of hay for
All
the
right,
carrots.
it's getting some power, and it's going to get 500 before it goes back. Nice. And look, it's... That was pretty good. No, this is just done.
flipping.
Yeah, yeah.
Nice.
That was pretty good.
Yeah.
So we've got the sunflower algorithm now. We threw in a couple expands, some grass, some speed, some fertilizer, some watering. So let's run through it and let's see what we want to unlock next, right?
We're making good time. Actually.
Oh, we can unlock pumpkin.
Like less than
pumpkins
30,
now.
I think. Or around 30. Okay. I'm going to go one pass through this code and see what do we need to do to make this, to integrate this into our full automation. Okay. I think it's time to run it and debug.
Yeah.
Unlocks.pumpkins must be unlocked before this can be used. I agree with that, actually.
I would also agree.
Couple breakpoints. Okay. We planted pumpkins everywhere. I think it's just
Okay,
working.
yeah, it's working.
Okay.
But yeah, this is good. We've unlocked all the resources up to pumpkins. We got some sunflower logic to make sure we always have power while we're running everything. So yeah, next time we run through this, I guess we're gonna target implementing polyculture, doing like mazes to get the multi-drones, and then once we have multi-drones, then we can probably just fly through all the resources that are needed to get the leaderboard. And I think that'll be it, and then we'll see how our time matches up.
Yeah, there's a lot of inefficiencies in our code, but I'm happy with it.
Yes, it looks pretty good, and it's like pretty easy to just
I think
add unlocks.
I think
whenever we
probably
unlock new things.
other people could take this skeleton code and kind of,
improve it.
well, they could probably use it as their basis and then implement their own harvest functions too.
Yeah,
Make their own improvements. Yeah, they could probably improve this.
yeah. We'll think about open sourcing this for the community.
Fantastic.
Yeah. All right.